Congratulations! You've been hired for the Santa Hospital night shift. Your job is simple: stay the night and follow the rules, especially rule number 5. Rule number 1. Every hour, check the nursery monitor. If you see a crib rocking by itself, turn off the screen. The baby in there was never discharged. Rule number 2. If you hear jingle bells playing faintly down the hall, don't follow it. Rule number 3. When doing rounds, you may notice a man in a red coat walking ahead of you. Do not greet him. He's delivering names, not gifts. Rule number 4. If a patient calls your name but no one's on the floor, check your ID badge. If it reads Mary, leave the building immediately. Rule number 5. At exactly 3:03 a.m., the Santa statue by the lobby may turn its head. If it faces you, do not move. He only attacks those who run. Stay calm. Follow the rules. Good luck, night nurse.